This is 13 WMAZ Eyewitness News Weekend Morning.
I'll tell you, Dr. Bernard Hodges, he is not the furry friend. The furry friend is Malaysia. Dr. Bernard Hodges is from Critter Fixers, and he's talking about the pros and cons of spaying and neutering. We always talk about, you got to spay and neuter to control the pet population.
Exactly, but there are also a lot of tremendous benefits from it. One of the things we'll talk about is, is cancer. Dogs are very prone to cancer. I see it very often.
Really?
Very, very prone. Memory tumors, breast cancer. You can reduce the incidence of breast cancer to less than 1% if you get your dog spayed before the first heat. 1%.
Wow, that is incredible. That's an amazing statistic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's one of the benefits. Also, pyometra. I see that maybe once or twice a month.
What did you call? I was just going to say, what is that word?
Pyometra. If you Google it, P-Y-O-M-E-T-R-A. Pyometra is infection of the uterus. What happens is a lot of times the effect of the estrogen allows the bacteria, the uterus to kind of not fight bacteria off as much. So sometimes I've seen uterus get maybe 10 times the normal size, and is a life-threatening thing. If your dog comes down with pyometra, it has to be done within 24 hours, or it could be fatal.
What are some of those old wives' tales? I'm sure your client, not your clients, but anybody comes up to a veterinarian and says, "Well, I'm not going to spay or neuter because of this," and they may be on the wrong track.
Everybody says, "Well, I don't want my dog to get fat," but it's been shown that as long as you watch your calories and make sure you don't feel too many treats, you should be fine. Also,
that would go either way, I would imagine.
Either way. You just want to make sure you watch the caloric intake, but it's not, that's an old wives' tale. Also, with cats, we talk about dogs a lot, but a lot of people think like, man, my cat is always coming into season. Cats are what's called, they ovulate only when they get in touch with a male, so they will ovulate once a week, and you will hear that loud cat noise of them wanting to get out. That caterwauling, you will hear that over and over. And then as far as neutering, males as well, their testicular cancer. You'll also be able to prevent prostatitis, where the prostate gets inflamed because they're smelling some dog. And dogs can smell roughly a mile away that there's a female.
I read somewhere, too, that dogs have 10,000 the scent.
Exactly. They know.
Even Malaysia, even though she has a tiny little nose, has 10,000 the scent that we do. So spaying and neutering, a lot of times you can find low-cost programs out there.
You can find low-cost programs. You call your local animal shelter. We also, through the Warner Robins Animal Shelter, do provide some low-cost spays and neuters as well.
All right, so it's a good idea all the way around. Malaysia, you have been the perfect guest, and she goes nicely with my suit, don't you think?
I think so.
One of your clients' dogs. Fantastic. There you go. Thanks so much. We will talk to you next time.
All right, see you then.
Bye, Malaysia. You're very cute. All right. Well, hey, coming up, we will show off a few of your garden shots. Do you garden?
Just a tad.
Oh, okay. Well, these guys, we know that your greenery is getting a lot of rain, so we'll pop our photo galleries up, show you what's going on.